If you want to separate objects in Blender fast, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to split a mesh into new objects in just a few seconds. This is one of those Blender shortcuts that can save you a lot of time, especially when you're working with imported models, detailed meshes, or objects that need to be split into different parts. If this video helps you out, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more short and useful Blender tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, select the object you want to separate. Then press Tab on your keyboard to switch into Edit mode. In Edit mode, you can choose exactly what part of the mesh you want to split apart. Now select the part you want to separate. You can do this by selecting a vertex, an edge, or a face depending on your model and what you need to isolate. Once the correct part is selected, press P on your keyboard. This opens Blender's separate menu, which gives you a few different options. If you want to split only the part you selected, choose Selection. This will turn that highlighted geometry into a brand new object. If your mesh has different materials assigned and you want Blender to split the object based on those materials, choose By Material. This is useful when the model is organized by surface type or texture groups, and if your mesh contains multiple disconnected pieces, choose By Loose Parts. This is usually the fastest option when you want Blender to automatically separate every unconnected section into its own object. After you make your choice, Blender will create the new object for you. Just remember, the new object will appear in object mode, so press Tab again if you want to confirm the result or continue working on it. Also keep in mind that this method works on meshes only, so it won't apply to every object type in Blender. For most cases though, this shortcut is reliable, simple, and works in all recent Blender versions. If you're cleaning up models or preparing assets for animation, this is a tool you'll definitely use often. And that's how to separate objects in Blender fast. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Blender tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.